Yo, what's up? We're now sitting in a Hyundai Inster, and in this video we will test how the headlights are. So it might not be the best day to test it, or night rather, but well, we just have to go for it. There's some slight fog and maybe also slight rain, but well, it is in these conditions you need good headlights, right? So at least the road is not too wet, but it is a bit bumpy, and you can see it with the suspension. Oh, boing, boing, boing. Okay, but let's see. Shoom! Wow! Hey, this ain't too bad, huh? Okay, so if you go low beam and then high beam, wow, there's remarkably good spread. You know, this is the poor man's car, and it still has okay headlights, and it's Asian, you know, so many Asian cars, they are equipped with poor headlights. I don't know what's up with that, especially Chinese cars, but also Korean cars I tried in the past, like Kona, e-Niro, don't even mention classic Ioniq, man. But here, see, okay, here I was the bush, you actually get an okay feel in front of you, with some spread and some strength. Okay, it's not the strongest, it's not the widest I've seen, but still okay. Huh. At least on semi-twisty roads it works okay. Okay, maybe not on the most the twistiest hairpin turns, but even in these roads it's acceptable. Wow. Okay, did we find any wildlife tonight? Well, let's see. Well, yeah, I also checked, is there some auto high, but it's only on off, there is no matrix, no adaptive headlights here. But yeah, now with a slight fog you can see how the beam is. Maybe I can go faster. Yeah, I should go faster. After all, it's 80 zone here. Well, let's go to the farm eventually and see what it looks like over there. Well, it's okay. If I know I'm going to drive a lot on these kind of roads, I'll probably slap down a LED bar. Ferdig snakka. From Bilkomponenter at Kløfta. They can install it for you also. And you get a discount with my code, Teslabjorn code. But for just occasional driving over here, then it's still fine. Yeah. Okay, let me see. I think the farm is supposed to be over here, right? No, it's a bit windy. 5 meters per second wind. Here, okay. So let's see now. Have they gone to bed? Yes. Am I gonna wake them up? Yes. Okay, maybe not these headlights, but you see. Yeah, you get something there. It's not just a little thing in the center, no? Thing in the center, no? So there's at least something there. So, yeah. What else should I say about these headlights? Well, compared to some other headlights, like the German cars, they tend to be wider and stronger. Yeah. So of course it's not perfect, these headlights, but they at least give you sufficient up to the side. Well, actually, is it? Yeah, kind of. Oh, but the fog though. And the fog slightly obscures things. Plus that nowadays it is still a bit gray. Yeah, it hasn't bloomed yet, so wow, didn't know there's going to be that much fog here. It wasn't that much fog around my home, and just some, but here seems to be thicker. It also seems to be windy over here. But yeah, so I just want to show you guys as much as possible. Just do the regular test stretch if you're considering Inster and you want to know everything about the car, also the headlights. If you care, you can just watch my video, right? Because if you do a test drive for a couple of hours in the daytime, you might not be able to see this. And if it's important for you, then you get the most of the answer here, right? That's the whole point of my video. I'm not trying to sell you this car, just trying to tell you whether you should buy it or not. Buy something else, buy Tesla, you know, support Elon Musk. Or you can just support Volkswagen instead, yeah. Okay, now we have street lights. Okay, I use manual headlights now. So let me see if I switch over to auto. Now it's on auto, and then okay. But yeah, how good are these? Well, I mean, they're not that great, but still give it maybe a 6. Huh? Do you guys agree? 6 out of 10. Yeah. Okay, I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching, and talk to you later.